show you guys an option for you to get if you are looking for a ring light for your own videos or your own content in general. It's great quality. Ooh, shit. I know I had a little slip up, but it's a great quality and you guys should definitely check it out.
Crown, 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 I never bow down. I sip my tea in my business. I sip my tea in my business. I'm a queen, queen, and I am meant to be free. I'm a queen, queen, and I am meant to be free. I sip my tea in my business. I sip my tea in my business.
Hey guys, it's your girl Seraph and welcome back to Styling by Seraph. I appreciate you being here with me once again. If you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel so you can continue to join me on my fashion and beauty journey, and I really do hope that it helps. If you have not yet checked out my business, Serative, these earrings that I'm wearing, I handmade them. They are supposed to showcase the sunset color palette that we have in our world. These aren't available yet. They will be soon. I'm just letting y'all know. I'm just letting y'all know. So today I am going to be opening up a ring light that I bought on Amazon. Right now this is my room without the natural light. This is what my room looks like. My room, the background that you're looking at is different now, and the reason is because I did a room makeover and I will be sharing with you guys a video of the transformation of my room and a room tour soon. Okay, so right now no natural light. I'm going to now show you guys it with the natural light. This is it now with daylight. Right now I am going to open up the ring light. I'm going to let you guys know the details once I open it up. I'm hoping that the name of what the ring light is in the box, hopefully, but I had my dad buy it for me for Christmas. I got it from Amazon, of course. It was around $80. When I watch YouTube videos, I saw that that's the around range that people were buying. Like the good ones were that had a good height as well. All right. Now see this. Ooh. Don't see there's no light in here. I look real black, but that's okay, cause this ring light about to hit, boys. I was not expecting this. So it is Neewer. Okay, so I was not expecting it to come in this little pouch. That's super convenient. You can repack it in here because sometimes you don't know where to put your stuff in your room and you don't want it to be all cluttered, so it's nice that you can just repackage things in here. I'm gonna try this one first. So I'm realizing what needs to happen is you need to put the two sides, the left and right side on first. I believe. Alright, so with the top piece, I'm realizing you need to take this side off. Finally. So now we'll do the tripod. So all you do is put the ring light on top of the tripod. It comes with other things to do more things, but all we're trying to do is put the ring light on the tripod to see the brightness. This is it off. Look at this difference. That's crazy. Where's light? And this is with daylight. I put it on. And y'all see I'm glowing out here in these streets. I'm glowing out here in these streets. Okay, and we love to see it. It's called the Neewer ring light. I love that it comes with a little bag. And it comes with other things. So it's not just, I'm gonna show you guys what the ring light looks like. But it's not just that, it comes with different pieces to do different things with it. And you can also hook up your phone somehow onto it, which is amazing. Amazing. And it also comes with this color. I love that it can go up to like 5 over my height. So I'm 5'7.5". It can go over that. I'm like, okay, that's amazing. Like, great shit. Yeah, it's great. It's a great quality. Ooh, shit. Yo, why is this my light? Alright, yo, I'm gonna keep that because that's like great content. But what I will recommend for you guys is to make sure you tighten the bolts, because that's what I didn't do, and that's why mayhem started just now. I know I had a little slip up, but it's a great quality and you guys should definitely check it out as an option if you are looking for a ring light. Be sure to subscribe to Styling by Sarah. Like this video if you thought that me sharing this ring light with you was useful and this unboxing was something that helped you. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.
This you's a queen, and you are meant to be free. You's a queen, and you are meant to be free. You should sip your tea and mind your business. Sip your tea and mind your business.